My camera's about to die, but we're gonna ignore that and just go with it. But basically, sorry for my face being all broken out and stuff. I use sunscreen because I just got home from the beach. Today, I'm going to be starting to pack for New York. So I'm going back to New York. I did a pack with me last summer for New York City, and it was pretty boring, but I did that. I'm going to New York in a few days, but I need to pack right now just because, I should probably just get a head start. Because so at the beach, I literally packed like 15 minutes before I was supposed to leave my house, which was so dumb because I forgot so much. So today I'm going to pack and I'm not going to forget anything. So basically today I'm just going to, why do I keep saying that? So I'm just going to be setting out, like, I still haven't unpacked from the beach, which is so dumb. Also, my suitcase is ripped, so we need to buy a new suitcase before I put stuff in the suitcase. My room is a mess. As you can see, I don't want to open my blinds because people are working on my house and I don't really want them to like stare at me. So basically today we are going to be continuing to pack. As I think I've mentioned this, but my old suitcase ripped. A suitcase. Actually, she brought me two because she thought that it was weird if I didn't have my shoulder hurts. She said that it was weird if I didn't have matching suitcases. So 5-year limited warranty. She said that I need to have matching suitcases, so she bought me suitcases. I'm packing slightly early for this trip. I never do that. I always end up packing like 15 minutes before I'm supposed to leave my house for a trip, and then I really don't think you can see me. Anyway, and then I end up forgetting everything. So today I'm packing early, but the reason I'm packing is because I just kind of want to get finished in time for me to like show you guys a video, you know? Okay, so basically I'm going to show you like an overview of all the outfits that I'm going to be wearing. So we're only going to be there for like 3 days. So we have these jean shorts that I do wear quite often, but it's because they're so comfortable and they're high-waisted. I have this butterfly tank top, and it is from Brandy Melville. It's just this top from Brandy Melville with these bottoms from Brandy Melville. We have these shorts from a little boutique in my area, and they're just really cute. They're high-waisted, nice. And then we have this, and for the top for that, we have this top from Brandy Melville. And then I have this dress, which is not Brandy Melville, so that's good, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so far I have packed a lot. Obviously I'm not going to pack all today because I'm still not leaving until, I think I'm leaving Saturday, so I'm not going to pack anything else until probably like Friday or something like that because, I don't know, I just don't need to yet. But I've done a lot. I'm packing really light just because kind of go crazy when I'm with like the shopping in New York. I just can't refrain from buying stuff. All of my favorite brands are just easier to get to in the city, so I left some space in my suitcase. I'm pretty much done with like the clothes and stuff. We're flying out from Dallas. I don't live in Dallas. I don't even live in Texas, so but the friend I'm going with used to, so we are flying out from Dallas, and we'll be driving there Saturday and then leaving for New York Sunday. So I do need to find like one outfit for when I'm in Dallas. So probably just gonna stay in the same suitcase just because I have a ton of extra space. So that's pretty much it. So for my so in my suitcase there is a like mesh pocket, I guess. I don't know. And if, by the way, if you're wondering where my suitcase is from, it's Vince Camuto. So that's where my suitcase is from, and my mom was very nice to buy it for me. So I put my clothes. So my clothes are in here, and then here I have my shoes, and I'm gonna put like my toiletry bag right there. And I'm not gonna update you guys because I need to edit this video and get it done for Thursday, but that is what that's like some of what I'm packing, and yeah, I just wanted to show you. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.